How to screen record on Amazon Fire Tablet. The first step is going to the Silk browser, so click on that on the home page of your Amazon Fire Tablet. That's going to bring up the web browser here. You're going to want to type in APK Pure into the search, or you can just go direct to apkpure.com. So go ahead and click on that website there. Once you're on the APK Pure website, you want to click the top right hand corner. Then you just want to type in screen recorder. And once you've typed in screen recorder, there are a few different screen recorders which pop up. A lot of them do work, so it's kind of up to you which one you want to pick, but I would recommend the X screen recorder, as that is the one that I'm using for this video, and it's worked for me across the last few videos that I've done on the channel. So I recommend getting the screen recorder -X recorder there. Click download on that, then make sure you click X at the top right hand corner if an ad pops up like this. You don't want to download that. Then once you get onto this section here, you want to click on download APK, and then it may actually make you click on it twice if it doesn't pop up straight away. So if so, go ahead and scroll down again, then click download APK if it doesn't pop up with this thing in the middle of the screen here straight away. So you might have to click it once or twice. Then you want to click on download anyway. Then you'll see at the top of the screen, you want to press and hold, then scroll down physically on your Amazon Fire Tablet screen. That's going to show this here, and you see the screen recorder downloading there. Once that's done, you can go ahead and click on it. Then that will kind of open up the installing process here. So where it says X recorder, you want to go ahead and click on install. Then it will install. That should take a few seconds or a few minutes depending on your Fire Tablet internet connection, etc. Then once you're there, you can click on X Recorder on the home page. Then it should just be a red button which you click, and then as you can see, it should start recording, and then you can kind of stop it by scrolling down, or you can also see a thing on the right hand side of the screen. So leave a like on the video if that helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.